This sweetheart is Gracie. She is a 14-year-old spayed female. She weighs 8 pounds. She was surrendered by her owner on June 24th. She's so pretty. Biggest, most gorgeous eyes. She's really warming up to me. She was scared at first and didn't want to come out of her castle. And she's turning into a real sweetheart. Oh, Gracie. She needs a new home.